Hi guys, this is Number's Journey again, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I cook this fish. So this one I just cut the center of the fish so that the spices I would put will just go inside, and I put a little bit of salt there, and I also cut tomatoes, onions, and some garlic in there. I also put a lemongrass inside the fish. Put all together the tomatoes, the garlic, and the lemongrass, and then I'll also put a little bit of Maggi seasoning and the paprika. Just rub the paprika all over the fish. And here I have also put a pin to close the stomach. And for the head, since it's open, I also tied with this kind of, I don't know how to put it. It's called a cooking thread. So here I use the Margaret, the steamer. So, and that's it.